Hello guys, welcome to TUTORIEX, and this is video number 2 of my course Python 101, where I'm gonna teach you all the basics to get you started with Python. So in this video, as I said in the previous video, I'll talk about Jupyter Notebook, where you can make notes side by side, with your coding. So for that you have to go to command prompt, search cmd, press enter, command prompt, and you have to write a command: pip install notebook, enter. And it's gonna take some time to install notebook on your PC, and you see it's done. And now after it gets installed, you have to go to the folder where you want to open this Jupyter Notebook. So you can see I am on the 𝐷𝐸 folder, so I'm gonna go like change directory to desktop and change directory cd Python 101. Here I'm gonna type this command: Jupyter Notebook, and it doesn't take any software. You don't have to install any software. It's just gonna open on the browser you're using. Like for me, I'm using Chrome browser, so you can see the file 1 inside I can see here also. I think you remember the hello world file I created in the previous video, file 1. So here, and for the Jupyter Notebook, I'm gonna make a new folder. So for that I have to go to new folder, so untitled folder, rename, I'm gonna say notebook folder. And I wanna show you something. When I create it here, open this, and it get created here too, so it's real time. So inside this folder I'm gonna make a new file. There's a text file option, there's a folder option, and there's a Python 3. This is what we need. So Python 3 file. So you see my file got created, untitled. So I'll double click on untitled and intro. Rename. So this plus option, this is a cell, this is called cell. Here you can code, go here, it's on code mode, and go here and press markdown. Then it's for your notes. So for now, go to code +++. I'm gonna increase the cell. So inside notebook you get advantage, like you can make notes here, so and you can get real-time computational output. So by that I mean, like if you select 12 plus 13 and you run this cell, you get 25. Like you don't have to print it. Like here, if I open this folder with VS Code, I'm gonna show you side by side what is the advantage. So I'm gonna make another file2, file2.py, py. And if I write 12 plus 13 and run the code, I'm not getting anything. Like I have to print it to get the output. Like print 12 plus 13, then I'm gonna get the output. See, 25. So I don't have to do that here. I get 25, and if I print like same as there, 12 plus 13, and run the code, of course you're gonna get 25. It's not output, you see, it's written out, and there is no out because it's printed here. And I'll show you the markdown. Go to this code option, go to markdown, And now you can make notes, and there's so many ways you can make notes. Like I'll show you the basics. Like if you press has, it's for like heading, sorry, has then space heading 1, and if I run the cell, you see converted into text. And then again markdown shell, and if I do 2 stars, it's gonna be smaller, and run the cell heading 2, and so run cells, there is option control plus enter, run cells and select below, shift plus enter. You can do that also, like use the short keys. Another thing, press this, beside this 1 there's this key, and first let's restart this key beside 1. Like I'm gonna write for loop, and for loop and intro. So if I run this cell, see there's a kind of a box. If you notice carefully, there's a kind of a box. So it's just there's just so much nice way to write some stuff. Notes like naturally, you can just run it and it's gonna convert to natural font size. So that's it here. That's what you can do here. That's the thing with Jupyter Notebook. You can make notes. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk about more there. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye. Take care.